you're seeing this channel, subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, if people have 90% of people have been watching this channel have not subscribed. We want to get back to 80%. So if you haven't liked or subscribed, like and subscribe. So now back to the video. That's okay. Okay, so now we just got that down. Let's see if we can fix it. I might need a chair for this one, but I'm not going to. Oh shit. Never mind about that. The whole cover should be okay, but I don't recommend it. The golden, most unlikely. But we're about to fix it. Well, we have my mother right there, and she might want to join. Would you like to join?
Soon.
Because I'm posting a YouTube channel on YouTube.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank you. And now,
Now what do you do?
would you like to post one of me on YouTube?
Yeah, what's your next step?
Thanks.
Yeah?
So now we're just trying to think of how we can fix these lights, but they might not work. So we might have to rearrange the whole thing with a spanner, right? A 17mm should work. Hey, Willow, can you do me a favor, like spin it like this way? Okay. It should be come off. Tell you when to stop. I think that might work, so probably stop. I don't think it just works. We have to try and get the right spinner. Willow, can you do me a favor and find a 15 size one?
Okay. Doesn't matter which color.
No, in the garage.
Oh.
Come.
What color?
Hey, wait a second. Who cares if it's pink? Pink's my favorite color. Guys, follow me. Come. So this will be risky. Come.
In the other way, Wolf.
This will be very risky, but not too risky. By the time we get there, this will be sick as bro. So that's just the risky part. But the car is going to a vintage BMW store next weekend. This should be okay, but this is very risky. We don't want to be caught getting very risky, like, well, this might be risky, but not too bad. We're trying